Ketoconazole cream. Uses, benefits and side effects. Info. What is ketoconazole cream? Ketoconazole cream is a prescription antifungal medication designed to treat various fungal skin infections. It is commonly used for conditions such as ringworm, jock itch, athlete's foot, tinea versicolor, seborrheic dermatitis, and yeast infections on the skin caused by candida. This medication is approved for adults and is typically applied once or twice daily, depending on the infection and your healthcare provider's instructions. Most people experience only mild, short-term side effects such as itching or stinging at the application site. Common uses of ketoconazole cream. Ringworm, tinea corporis. Jock itch, tinea cruris. Athlete's foot, tinea pedis. Tinea versicolor, causes lighter or darker patches on the skin. Seborrheic dermatitis, itchy, flaky skin often found on the scalp or face. Yeast infections on the skin, candida species. How ketoconazole cream works. Ketoconazole belongs to a class of antifungal agents that work by damaging the protective outer layer of fungal cells. This process stops the fungus from growing, spreading, and causing further skin irritation or infection. Possible side effects of ketoconazole cream. Most side effects are mild and temporary. However, it's important to inform your healthcare provider if any reactions persist or worsen. Common side effects. Mild itching at the application site. Skin irritation or redness. Stinging or burning sensation. Serious side effects. Seek medical help immediately. Signs of severe allergic reaction such as hives, swelling of the face or throat, or difficulty breathing. Less common side effects. Localized rash or dryness. Ketoconazole cream dosage, price and pharmacist tips. Info. Ketoconazole cream dosage forms and cost. Ketoconazole cream is most commonly available in a 2% strength formulation. It comes in tubes of varying sizes to suit different treatment needs. The average cost for a 60-gram tube of 2% ketoconazole cream is approximately $23 with a free GoodRx coupon. That's about 69% off the average retail price of $74.61. Typical retail prices. 15 g of 2% ketoconazole cream, about $13.01 per tube. 30 g of 2% ketoconazole cream, about $20.19 per tube. 60 g of 2% ketoconazole cream, about $23 per tube. Typical dosing for ketoconazole cream. Ringworm, jock itch, tinea versicolor, or yeast skin infection. Apply a thin layer of ketoconazole cream once daily to the affected area and surrounding skin for 2 weeks. Athlete's foot. Apply once daily to the affected and surrounding areas for 6 weeks. Seborrheic dermatitis. Apply twice daily to the affected area for 4 weeks, or until symptoms improve. Pharmacist tips for using ketoconazole cream. Use ketoconazole cream only on the skin. Avoid contact with eyes, nose, mouth, or any internal areas as it can cause irritation. Clean and dry the affected skin thoroughly before each application to enhance absorption and effectiveness. Wash your hands after applying the cream, unless you are treating your hands, to prevent accidental transfer to other body areas. Mild stinging or itching after application is normal. However, if a severe rash develops, stop using the cream and contact your healthcare provider immediately. You may notice improvement within a few days of starting treatment, but it's crucial to continue using the cream for the entire prescribed duration to prevent the infection from returning. If you have tinea versicolor, you'll typically use the cream for 2 weeks. Skin discoloration may take several weeks or months to fully resolve, even after the infection has cleared. This is normal and doesn't mean the medication failed. If your condition does not improve or worsens after completing the course, consult your healthcare provider. You may need a different treatment. Ketoconazole cream is a trusted and effective topical antifungal medication when used correctly. Following your healthcare provider's directions carefully ensures the best outcome and helps prevent recurrence of the infection. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to HeInfo for more evidence-based health education from trusted medical sources. Like, share, and comment below with your experience or questions about ketoconazole cream, and stay tuned for our next video on antifungal treatments and skin health.